Hi, everyone. I want to welcome you to Math 080. I'm your instructor, Lillian Rahel. What I want to do in this video is kind of show you around the Canvas page and show you what you should be doing and how to approach the class. So I want to, when you come into Canvas, on the left-hand side, you have announcements, the Alex link. Let me pull this screen over so you can see it, modules, so, and so on. So on the left-hand side, if you click announcements, this will show you announcements that I post. Now, one of the first things you want to do in this course is pair your Alex account with Canvas. So all you need to do is click on the Alex link here and walk through those steps, and it will pair your account with Canvas so that your grades will go into Canvas appropriately. Now, every week you should be working on Alex. Um, and every week I put in here modules. So at the beginning, you should see a welcome module and you should walk through each of these in the welcome module. So make sure you watch the videos that are included here and read through each of these. Now, Alex, when you first signed up for Alex, and most of you have already, there is a financial aid code so that you can get a 2-week trial to Alex. So you want to click there and use that. There's also how to use Alex and customer support. So you want to watch those videos that are there. You also want to click on this and open up this. And you want to go through this U of M Dearborn Academic Integrity and Cheating module. So those are the first two modules that you should have looked at. Now, each week you will see a new module open, and it will have that week's the Monday, usually the Monday date, and the name of the module that we're going to cover in there. And so last week we had the initial knowledge check, um, and we have a syllabus quiz. So you want to read through the syllabus. The syllabus is found on the left-hand side here, and then take that syllabus quiz. You have an academic conduct oath that you want to take a look at. The initial knowledge check, will link you to the Alex, and what that does is it creates a pathway for you in Alex. So it's not a graded exam. All it is a initial test to see where you should place in Alex. So if you know a certain topic and you have mastered that topic, it's not going to repeat things that you have mastered. So so it will go through and it teaches you the different skill sets that you will need. So the initial knowledge check just places you in the right place. Now, if you score a certain score on the initial knowledge check, I will contact you and have you potentially take a different test to see if you could be placed into a different math class if you score on the initial math knowledge check, if you master everything. So, but if you don't hear from me, then you're just going to continue in the Alex. So each week you're going to see a new module. And so this week you will see this module. Now this is an introduction. Um, it's a video discussion board, and if you open it, it just gives you a link to this Padlet where you are going to either record a video or audio about yourself and tell us about yourself. Just something short. It's nothing, it doesn't have to be very long. Also, you have the homework. This is the link to Alex for the homework 1. Every week you have to put in 5 hours of Alex work time, and so that is graded. So you want to make sure you're putting in that time to Alex so that you can get the full 10 points. And then after you are I should say, as you're doing homework one, you should be taking, writing that work down on paper, and then you're going to submit it here. If you don't submit anything, then you don't get the points for the homework one. So you need to submit your handwritten solutions into this folder. And so all you have to do is open it, and then you're going to upload, um, you're going to scan your work into a document, and then you are going to upload that document here. So now that we kind of looked at that, let's go over to the syllabus. So when you click on syllabus, you're going to see this, and you'll also see a course summary. These dates are not, this is not everything, but this here is the link to the syllabus. As I publish the modules each week, this will be updated. If we go over to, I'm going to pull over a copy of the syllabus, and let's take a look at the syllabus. So the syllabus here, make it a little bit smaller. All right, so I do have office hours every week, Tuesdays and Thursday mornings. Now, if those hours do not work for you, please do not hesitate to contact me. I will work around your schedule. I can meet with you at different times of the day. So please contact me if these hours do not work for you. Don't feel like you cannot meet with me outside of these times. I will be posting different videos throughout the course with different topics. So if you have questions, what you should do, you can meet with me, you can email me and I'll set up a meeting, or you can email me and I can record a video and you'll see those videos in ALEX. I'm sorry, not in ALEX, in Canvas. And so you'll see those, like if you struggle with a topic, let's say the topic is fractions. You tell me, I'm having trouble with these questions, and then I will post a video that talks about that. So those are those are helpful for not just you, but for everybody in the class too. So you'll see videos throughout the semester that I'll post with important topics. And sometimes I pull out different topics that I think are where students struggle, and I will post information on that. Let's see. So I would like you to read through this and like you to read through the description of the course objectives. This does talk about completing the 5 hours of studying in ALEX, and that is worth points in this class. You have a video on how to use ALEX. You have this YouTube link here. Now we have the code for our class, and I posted that in the Canvas here. Let's see, I think it was in the welcome. So if you go here, you can see the financial aid access code. So we have the class code that you'll see in the syllabus, and then you have the financial aid access code that gets you the 2 weeks. So, and then let's scroll down. So once you, this is what your grade is going to be based on. You have exams 1, 2, and 3. In ALEX, they're called CKC 1, CKC 2, CKC 3. Those are called they're abbreviated with CKC as a comprehensive knowledge check. You want to, in order to pass math, this should say math 080, and advance your NUX math class, you must score 70% on the ALEKS Comprehensive Knowledge Check. So let's switch that. And you need to provide handwritten solutions along with the signed honor pledge. The signed honor pledge is found here also. If you take a look in the welcome, you'll see the signed honor pledge here. And so you'll write this on your paper when you upload your work. The comprehensive knowledge checks are very similar to the initial knowledge check, and they're about 25 to 30 problems, and they vary for each person. So, and notice that your grade is not, like, the points are not earned from those exams. They are earned from the homework and the quizzes, and they are earned from the time spent in ALEKS, and then the final CKC. Now, if you take a CKC and you get 70% on one of the first 3 CKCs, you may use that for your final exam, and you may not need to take the remaining CKCs. However, you want to still complete the material because your grade is based on this material. So if you take, let's say, CKC2, you take CKC2 and you score 85%, then you could complete the remaining homework and quizzes, and then that would count as your final test. So you would not have to take the final CKC. You have also on here the important dates for this fall, and you have all this information from the university. And continuing to the bottom, every week your work is graded from Monday at 12 a.m. to the following Sunday at 11:59. So that is where you're going to get the time spent, the 5 hours spent. And so each week you have the different topics, and you're going to see those posted in modules every week. Let's take a look quickly at the ALEKS. So this is what ALEKS looks like. So when you log in to ALEKS, you want to hit Start Knowledge Check. And then you would take that knowledge check. It starts with a little tutorial. And you would enter your answers. And whenever you're entering in something, it does pop up these little menus so that you can enter in a fraction. And I'm going to just put in some random answers here. These are incorrect answers. I just want it to generate something. So let's see. Now, if you don't know something, there is an I do not know button at the bottom that you could select. And I'm just going to hit my answers so that we can get into after the initial knowledge check. So let me skip to that part. So once I complete the initial knowledge check, then it's going to show me what I need to do. So it shows me like I have mastered 119 of the topics and 242 remain. So then I'm going to work through this. So when I click next, it's going to tell me where to start. So that is how, and you hit get started, and then you work in this material. So here is I hit the homework assignments, and when I hit my homework, this is where I can start my assignment, and then you will see the problem, and then you complete it.